Looking for amazing Amazon kitchen finds? Here are some of the coolest kitchen gadgets and appliances you need to see. All product links are in the description below. Number 1. This 2-in-1 watermelon fork slicer makes cutting watermelon quick and effortless. It slices perfect cubes in seconds and lets you pick them up instantly with the built-in fork. Perfect for summer parties, snacks, and family gatherings. And yes, it costs under $20. Number 2. WaterDrop Compact Electric Water Filter Pitcher. Enjoy clean, filtered water at the touch of a button. This rechargeable dispenser delivers water instantly and helps reduce impurities for fresher tasting drinks. Perfect for kitchens, offices, dorm rooms, and everyday use. And yes, it's another smart kitchen upgrade for under $50. Number 3. Tokit OmniCook Chef Robot. Meet the all-in-one kitchen machine that does almost everything. It can blend, chop, mix, cook, knead dough, and even make yogurt. The built-in smart screen and app guide you step-by-step through recipes. It's like having a personal chef right on your kitchen counter. Number 4. W&P Porter Glass Lunch Bowl. Looking for a better way to take your meals on the go? This premium glass lunch bowl is leak-proof, spill-proof, and perfect for soups, salads, pasta, meal prep, and leftovers. The airtight lid helps keep your food fresh for longer, while the durable glass design is reusable and easy to clean. Whether you're going to work, school, or the gym, this container makes carrying meals simple and mess-free. Number 5. AMZ Chef Double Induction Cooktop with Removable Griddle. This isn't just a portable cooktop, it's a complete cooking station. With 2 powerful induction burners and a removable non-stick griddle, you can grill steaks, cook pancakes, fry eggs, or prepare an entire meal at once. The touch controls and multiple power levels give you precise temperature control for every recipe. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, outdoor cooking, or anyone who needs extra cooking space. A smart and versatile upgrade for any kitchen. And that's our list of amazing Amazon kitchen finds you can add to your kitchen today. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds every week.